Welcome learners. In today's video we will learn about how to write abstract, plus I will share some good abstract examples with you. I will also share with you abstract format. Okay, then I will also share abstract examples of different way of abstracts you can write as well. So this video is going to be very useful if you want to learn about abstract, how abstract is written, what are the contents of abstracts, what are the elements of abstract. So it's recommended to watch this video till end if you want to learn about abstract. So welcome to Murad Academy, the place where people come to learn. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe it and press on the bell icon to get notification of my latest videos. So as I was telling you that in this video I will tell you about how to write abstract. Let's start this informative useful video. First example I will show you from an article which is published in 2020. As you can see in front of you, there is a complete abstract. This is a basic length of an abstract. The first element of abstract is its heading abstract. Then you write the purpose of your study. As you can see, this is the purpose of the study. Okay, then you tell the methodology. Then you tell the survey questionnaire, which sampling method you are using, or data collection method you are using. Then you tell your results. Okay, then you tell the outcomes of your results. Then you tell the findings, key findings of your study, and you tell that what can be done further on this topic. Then comes the most important part, keywords. Keywords are basically your variables of your study or your main topics of your study. So this is one example of how you can write the abstract. Let me show you another way of writing abstract. So there is another way of writing an abstract. So in this example, you can see this abstract has on left side the dates of this article, when it was published, received. Then there's a keywords. Okay, you can also write this, but it depends on the journal in which you are trying to publish your article. Okay, they will give you their format. Then you have to convert your thesis or your research paper into that given format. Okay, here I am telling you about the abstract of a research paper and of a thesis. So you can see the abstract, they are starting this time with the current study examines the change. Okay, they are starting the purpose with a different way. Okay, you can also start like this. Then they are telling about the methodology, then data analysis techniques, then data collection techniques, then the sample size, then the what the result of the study are, then their findings. So here are the findings of the study. Okay, you can also write your abstract for your thesis and for your research paper like this. Next example we have here, it's a study conducted on project management. Okay, as you can see, they are starting with a general definition of performance. Sorry, it's a study conducted on performance management. So you can see first they started with the performance management definition. Then they are starting with the purpose of the study, what was the aim. Okay, then they are telling the surveyed what they have studied in the study. Then they are the companies, the sectors, then they are the results and the findings, and they are the keywords as well. And then there is JEL classification. These are basically used for research papers. Okay, so they are not that much important. Let's discuss an example. This example is from behavior finance study. As you can see, they are starting with behavior finance. They are explaining that what is behavioral finance. Then they are telling the purpose of this study, as you can see. Then they are telling the mapping of the study, the methodology, then the results. They are also telling conclusions and recommendations as well. Okay, then they are telling the key identification of behavior aspects. Okay, then they are telling the keywords of the study. So by this way you can also write an abstract. Let me show you another example. So this is a study which is conducted on the leadership on firm financial performance. So in this abstract you will see it's a different abstract. Number one, it has an abstract heading, but under the abstract it has simultaneously many headings as well. Okay, they have divided their abstracts main parts separately. So you can also write this, but this method is highly used for your research papers. But in terms of your thesis, you have to follow your university format. You can also use this in your thesis as well. So here they have tell that the purpose, they have given the purpose heading, then they are telling the purpose of the study, then there is a methodology heading, then they are telling the methodology, then findings they are telling. Okay, then research implications and limitations they are telling about, then practical implications, then originality and value, then there is keywords. Okay, So you can also write your abstract like this. Okay, let me show you another example, a different way of writing abstract. Okay, this page will take few seconds to upload, I think. Let me show you another example meanwhile. So here they are starting that the objectives of the study are to examine the impact of human resource development practices. So you can also start your study like this: the objective, the purpose, the aim. Okay, as you can see, they are telling about the information, the methodology, the results. They are also telling the results what they have founded. Okay, then they are telling their perspectives of the studies, that the study adds the improvement, the new thing they are into the model. Then there is a keywords. Then I will show you another example of a good abstract which you can write. So in this study, they are starting with the purpose of this paper is to identify the factors. So if you are writing this for a thesis, then you will write the purpose of this research or of the study is to identify. Okay, you can see then they are telling about the methodology, then they are telling about the variables, the data analysis techniques they have used, and so on. They are also telling about some good keywords as well of the study. Next we have the second last example of this video which I am about to show you of a good abstract. Okay, so this is an article. You will see it abstract. It's a different unique way to start the abstract. As you can see, they are starting with this: despite the increasing attention to gender diversity diversity management in recent decades. So you can also start your abstract like this. Okay, it's one example. So now I'm about to show you the last example. As you can see, here it is, the last example. Here the study has been conducted to endeavor if there is a relationship between 13 electronic HRM activity. So you can also write your abstract in this way. So learners, I tried my level best to show you some examples of good abstract, show you examples of how abstract look like, the elements of abstract, and how abstract is written. I hope I made myself absolutely clear to you. So if you learned from this video, then do like my video. If you haven't learned anything from my video, then do dislike. There is no issue. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe it. Press on bell icon to get notification of my new videos. And if you want video on any topic, do comment. I will try my level best to make a video on that topic. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.